Hi, I'm here in the deep snow in northern Norway, and I'm here wearing the new Outdoor Research Allies Line Mountain Gore jacket. And this is a really important development from Outdoor Research and a really impressive garment. Now the one I'm wearing is a pre-production jacket, and you'll see that notice that the zips are black. Please don't worry about that, the zips are correct tone on the production one. But what I'll do is I'll talk about the fabrics and then we'll talk about the features of the jacket. So it's a 3-layer Gore jacket, and the face fabric for this Gore jacket will be a 70 denier. Now that is a really hard wearing, very professionally focused face fabric. But it doesn't add a huge amount of weight, so you get a great jacket without having to have this really clunky, very heavy piece. Now if we talk around the jacket, you can see that I've got a full zip down my centre with 2 zippers, top and bottom. I've also got 2 Napoleon pockets, so it gives me really good access for small things that I might need to put up there, like someone's pocket contents. And equally, you've got 2 large pockets either side just here, which gives you really good ability to carry those essentials, particularly when you're in the early time you might be here. The hood itself is a full mountain hood and has a full stiffened peak and then adjusters on the back and then either side, with the zip coming all the way up with a nice beer guard on the back. Looking at the arms, you can see that I've got a Velcro patch on either side, and down the bottom end you can see that the cuff has a really good long Velcro attachment. One, so you've got at least a good chunk of Velcro to be able to hold it in place, but also to give you that ability to fit to any particular glove system or mitt system that you might like. The hem itself is got a elasticated, and it's got 2 pulls on either side. So whether you're wearing it straight and loose like this or pulling it tight and blousing it, then that's absolutely possible. When we look at the back of the jacket, you can see that it's got a good drop tail, so it's preventing it from riding up and exposing that lower part of your back. The jacket itself is absolutely perfect for a really hard wearing, very technical outdoor environment. That's whether you're in the Highlands of Scotland or you're out here in the cold of Norway. That balance of 70 denier fabric, which gives you that massive robustness, because the guys who are using this are crawling around, they're pushing around through the undergrowth, that will really protect it. Equally, because the hood is open and not zipped away, it allows the hood to be a proper mountain hood, which is not necessarily what you might experience here. So a really good piece that's focused at the technical mountain and Arctic user.